We are at an Italian specialty restaurant in Las Vegas. It's called Amano. You've probably seen it all across your Instagram feed. All right, guys, come with me. Let's check it out. Okay, yes, oh, you got the cute little bell. Oh, that's so cute. I love the little emoji and everything. All right, guys, let's check it out. They've got all these like fun drawings and stuff. That's so cool. Don't mind if I do. If you've been online and seen any of their Instagram, and they've got like hundreds of thousands of followers, they have this thing called a Fat Baby, which is like this ridiculous like pasta calzone pizza creation. So what would you like recommend? I'm thinking like a Fat Baby for sure, because those are like freaking crazy.
My personal favorite's the Forget About It.
I know, I love that, the Forget About It. Oh wait, don't you guys have some cool lemonade or something? I heard.
I have a rosemary lemonade.
Okay, gotta have that. Thank you. Delicious garnish, all of that, and I love rosemary. So I'm excited, and I've heard some really good things online about it. Everybody talks about it, so let's see. Okay, it's perfectly sweet, but it has this amazing infusion of the rosemary, which is insane. Like if you were on Chopped, so you know how the chefs are always like, oh yeah, well, we can't taste all of your ingredients. We can't taste this. Oh, you can taste everything. The lemon, the rosemary, the delicious cane sugar. Okay, so you know when the chef calls you to the kitchen, you gotta go. He's the boss. I don't make the rules, okay? So he said he's making something crazy back here. So we gotta check it out. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Check that out. There we go. It's like every day for them, but for me, it's just like, I never really see a pizza getting made. That cheese, that's like my favorite part. Cheese and the pepperoni. Oh my gosh, the whole process. That smells so amazing. It's like picture perfect. Gotta give a clap for that pizza. That looks so good. Oh, this is the Forget About It right here. I think you'll be forgetting about a lot of things, because I feel like after you eat this, you're going straight to sleep. All right, probably in some kind of food coma. Something similar to Thanksgiving, okay? That's what that looks like it'll do to you. That's crazy. Oh my goodness, we gotta get out of here. Okay, it's kind of hot in the kitchen. I don't want to sweat my press out. I feel like I need to start talking in like my Jersey accent and everything, because we're eating this nice Italian pizza. Like I feel like I got, oh my God, look at what's coming behind you. It is crazy. Look at this little skewer. It's got like shrimp. It looks like it has a piece of fried chicken on it. I don't even know. Oh my God. Oh, that shrimp is good. That shrimp is good. Hold on, I need some of that shrimp. It's protein, you can't go wrong. Oh my goodness. You're getting so much more than you bargained for in every like meat group. You got seafood, you got chicken. It looks like there's some kind of beef or pork. Oh, that's good. That's some good Italian sausage. That's what that is. Oh yeah. This looks so freaking amazing. Hold on. As soon as I smelled it, I already knew it was gonna taste amazing. As soon as I brought it real close to my face, I'm like, oh my God, that's perfect. And like once you get through the pasta, it's like one of those burrito bowls with Chipotle. That's like a little cheat right there. If you like ask the people at Chipotle to put a tortilla on the bottom before they start the burrito bowl, and then at the end you can wrap everything. And that's what this reminds me of. Because there's this huge pizza underneath and it's crazy. I'm like, bro, I don't even know, like, how do you even get, it's crazy. Oh, that's a piece of shrimp. That's really nice. And then we've got this one over here, the fettuccine Alfredo one. So for all my fettuccine Alfredo fans out there, oh my gosh, look at that as it's coming up. A treasure trove of creamy Alfredo deliciousness. Let me get it right. Let me act like I have some sense for a second. Hold on. I feel like I need to say a prayer after eating that. I feel like I've been a bad girl. This is crazy. Let me get some rosemary lemonade to wash this down. Oh my God. It smells delicious, but look at this pizza. And I had to sneak a bite a little bit earlier, okay? So you guys didn't see my first bite. I loved it. I was taking a picture. And so now, that tomato sauce is really good. It's really tangy. It makes your mouth water. I love that. Okay, so this is what I like to do with my pizza. And then they've given us generously a nice little dipping cup of sauce here, so. Oh yeah, it's good. I'm telling you, it's like perfectly tangy. But I feel like to get into this calzone, like I need to stand up and like literally brace myself. But I love that. And as I touch it here, you can see the knife as it like just kind of comes down. It looks like it's gonna be really, really chewy. Oh, it's just cutting into it like butter. Look at this. This is a big piece. Hold on. I don't know if I've overcommitted myself here, but look at that. Oh my gosh, guys, it has all of the ziti inside. Look at that. And it's still steaming. Oh my goodness. I think it's my favorite.
Was it this one?
Damn, that's good.
Was it this one?
It's like perfectly chewy. And then for those of you who just really need that carb fix, for those of you who have a big marathon in the morning and you need that carb load before you run, this pizzoni, this pizza and calzone combo is delicious. So you guys know I have a thing for like non-traditional like sandwiches, but I love it. It's super nice. You just have it like this, you take a nice bite, and it's still so hot. It's so freaking good. It just like binds everything together, this crust. I love it. Here, this is so cool. What a neat place. I feel like as a kid, if I saw something like this, I would lose it. If I saw something like that, I'd freaking go crazy. Got that perfect like New York style right there, right there. And then, of course, you can't dab it. You got to keep all of the grease on there. You got to eat it properly. I know, usually I dab it, I'm not gonna lie, but today I wanted to treat myself. I was like, let me just have it in its full aura, the way it's intended to be tried, and so I did for you guys, okay? What in the world is that?
Sweet baby.
Oh my goodness, the sweet baby. Guys, what? That's going to those people over there. That's crazy. They're having a good time today. That's a nice little celebratory cake right there, whatever you call that concoction. It's got like cheesecake on it. Ice cream, we're not getting that. Don't be asking, we're not getting that, okay? I had a lot of candy, dessert, all of that a couple videos ago. I can only do so much. So I'm here with the front of house manager, Jesse, who's been telling us all about these amazing concoctions.
It's definitely Jason, the owner, that comes up with the Fat Babies and the gondolas and the fettuccine Alfredo stuff.
Gondolas, I love it. Is he Italian?
Yes, he's from New York, but he got Italian roots.
He's not from Jersey, he's from New York.
Yeah, he's from New York, yes.
Okay. And what part of New York? Because I got a lot of New York followers on here. They'd want to know.
He's a Giants fan, so I think probably
I feel sorry for him because they're not doing anything this year. And if you watch my podcast, you guys already know my take on it. So anyway, but his food is great.
Yes.
And so he should be happy with that, at least. But you know what unites us all? Great Italian food.
100%.
I love that. Thank you, Jesse.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want anybody to know about the restaurant, Amano's?
Make a reservation when you guys come. Obviously, you can see we're a little bit tiny, but we love to have people here when we can have the space. And once you guys come, exactly,
it's so cozy. I love it.
It's homey. We try to make you guys feel at home when you guys come here.
And we definitely did. Thank you so much for the hospitality. This was amazing. Chad, Nova, you know, you guys are awesome.
Hey,
as soon as we walked in, we were like, all right, what an awesome staff, guys. This is an amazing foodie stop. I love it. And guys, this right here, this food weighs so much. Thank you, Chad. Thank you. I don't want to interrupt the chef. Hopefully he heard me, but I know he's back there working really hard. Thanks, guys. You could bench this and you might be making some chest day progress. This is not a drill. This is a lot of food here and absolutely worth it. You have to check out Amano's and be sure to let me know if there are any other foodie places you guys want me to try because I might pop up in your city and I'm serious about that. So let me know and tell me what you thought in the comments, okay? We'll see you back next time. How do you say goodbye in Italian? Ciao. Ciao. Ciao, Bella. Okay, cool.